Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I'm here with these beautiful red wine glasses by Swanfort, and they are so elegant and so beautiful. I decided to set up a little date night with my husband with a charcuterie board and some red wine, and it just looks picture perfect, our little fireplace. I'm so excited. I really like the long stem and how big the base of the glass is. So you can see it is almost as big as the palm of my hand. So it stands up really well and is really sturdy. I love the shape of the glasses. It just is a little bit extra. And I think this is a perfect line to fill them to, so you know what a good serving size is. It's also really nice. It comes with a bottle topper, so if you don't finish your bottle of wine, you can turn it and close it, and then it turns into this beautiful little pour as well. So if you're looking for a really nice set of wine glasses for yourself, or these would make a beautiful gift for a friend, this set by Swanfort really has impressed me. So elegant and beautiful, and that's our point of view.